Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial on this look right here. So continue watching if you want to learn how to achieve it. The first thing again that I'm going to start off with is my brows, and I'm going to use the Benefit Precisely My Brow in the shade number 3 right here. I'm going to use the pencil instead of a pomade or a wax, just so this looks a little more natural. So I'm going to do hair-like strokes throughout my brow, just to make it look like my eyebrows are a lot fuller. Now that I've finished with the brows, I'm then going to take my Smashbox Studio Fix 24-Hour Waterproof Concealer, and I'm going to apply that to my eyelids. I'm going to go ahead and use my MAC Studio Fix again, and I'm going to pat down my concealer. Once I've set my concealer, we now get to go in and use the palette. The first color I'm going to use in this palette I think will be, I'll go ahead with Nooner right here. And I'm going to run this through my crease. The next shade I'm going to pick up is Limit right here. I'm going to also add this into that crease, bringing it all the way in. And then for the center color, I think I'm going to go with Dust right here, which is a really pretty pink shade. I'm gonna pick some up right here. And apply that right in the center of my lid. Now that we finished the eyeshadow, I'm then gonna take my Fenty Beauty Primer, and I'm going to apply this to my face. I'm then going to go into my foundation, which I'm using the Hourglass Stick Foundation, which has super great coverage. And taking a kabuki brush, I'm going to blend this out. Now that I've blended all my foundation out, I'm going to go back in with that Smashbox concealer and conceal my under eyes. Now that I've applied my concealer, I'm going to take the Smashbox contour palette, and I'm going to take this highlighting shade that you can see I've hit the pan with, to go ahead and set my under eyes with it. And then going back in with my MAC Studio Fix powder, I'm going to set the rest of my foundation. Now to contour, I'm using the Clinique Chubby Stick Sculpting Contour. And I don't know what shade this is. Oh, Curvy Contour. And I'm going to take the side of my Beauty Blender and put a couple strokes on there. And then apply it. I'm now gonna go and take my bronzer, which is the MAC Give Me Sun, the shade right here. I'm going to apply this right over the contour I just did. And I'm gonna bring it up to the top of my forehead and around my hairline, just to add some more color into the skin. After I apply the bronzer, the blush that I'm going to use today is the NARS shade in Deep Throat right here. And then we're just going to lightly start the apple of our cheeks and then blend it back. Now taking that Naked palette again, I'm going to pick up Neuter and I'm going to apply this to the bottom lash line. Starting at the corner and working our way in. And now taking Dust again right here on a little brush. I'm going to add that into the corner of my eye. Next, I'm going to grab some mascara and I'm going to use the Voluminous Million Lashes right here and put a decent amount of mascara on. I really love this mascara because it separates my lashes really good. And now for the highlighter, I'm going to take this IBY Radiant Glow highlighter. Oh wow, this picks up really nice on the skin. I want to go ahead and add some to my brow bone and then also the inner corner of my eye. And lastly, the lip color that I'm going to use today is this MAC lipstick, matte lipstick in the shade Velvet Teddy. Alright, and here's the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I can't wait to see you next time. Bye!